Hey guys, what's up? So today we're on the new bus 45. I wanted to do a video tour of this since I own old 45. Thought you guys might like to see it. So 45, much like 44, do not have underbody storage. Got the non-strobing warning lights. There's 50. And blue seats. I believe they're 71 passenger buses. Driver's area, switches, all that fun stuff. There's the mirror. Got the Thomas first aid kits. Here's new 44. You know, it is fitting that the new 44 and 45 are sister buses, just like old 44 and old 45. So, got the number on the hood, just like all the C2s do. There's the Thomas Built Buses emblem. Q10242, 45, hasn't been inspected for next year yet. Lebanon City Schools. Here's the back, and again, these don't have the secondary warning lights like the 2019s do. So that's one big difference between the two orders of buses. There's the Thomas Built Buses mud flaps. Lebanon City Schools. Route changer, 11's on there. Board owned. So, yeah, with that being said, here's a quick shot around the rest of the lot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing new 45. Let me know what you think, and yeah.